Good morning, students. I hope all of you are doing well. This video is for the subject EVS. Today, we are going to start with our new chapter. Chapter number 2, Year to Year. Before starting the chapter, I want to ask you all a question. What is a year? I know all of you might know this year is one of our sense organ. Along with ear, we also have other sense organs too. Which are they, students? They are eyes, nose, tongue, ear, and skin. All these five sense organs helps us to see, smell, taste, hear, and touch. Today, students, we will learn about only one of the sense organs, that is our ears. So, students, we know that we all have ears. And how many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. And along with us, all the animals and birds also have ears. We will learn about different animals and different birds and different types of ears that they have. Now, let us start with the chapter. Who has got my ears? So students, here you can see a big picture. In the picture, there are a few animals. But students, did you notice something is wrong with the picture? Let us see what is it. Are these animals looking funny? The artist has drawn wrong ears on the heads of the animals. Give correct ears to the animals in the space given below. So students, here the artist who drew this picture has done a mistake. What mistake is it? The artist has drawn wrong ears on wrong animals. So we have to find out which ear is of which animal. But before we solve that, let us see the real ears first. In this first picture, you can see an elephant. Elephants have big fan type ears. You can see there are big ears. Some animals have big ears like elephant. The first example is an elephant. In the picture, you can clearly see how big the ears of elephants are. In this next picture, you can see a giraffe. Giraffe has leaf type ears. The shape of the ears of giraffe is like a leaf. Now we have a buffalo. Buffalo has ears on both sides of its head. You can see in the picture, on both sides of the head of buffalo there are ears. There is a rabbit now. Rabbit has ears on top of his head. Head के ऊपर rabbit के ears होते हैं. Now there is a deer. Deer has leaf type of ears. Here you can see deer has ear on top of his head and the shape is like that of a leaf. Ahead also we saw one animal which had leaf like ears. Which animal was it? Giraffe. Yes, giraffe and deer both have leaf type of ear. Now we have a mouse. So students, mouse itself is a tiny animal. So obviously the ear of mouse are also tiny. And the last animal is dog. Now some dogs have droopy ears. Droopy ears means that the ears which are hanging down. And some dogs have straight up ears. आधे dogs के ears are hanging down and some dogs ears are straight up, standing straight. So students, we saw different ears of different animals. Wasn't it interesting? All the animals had different shapes and sizes of their ears. Now, as we have seen the picture of their ears, now we will solve this image. Here the artist has drawn the wrong picture. We will correct that. The first mistake here is corrected for us. The first name of animal is elephant. and the elephant has ear of a mouse. Here in the picture you can clearly see there are round ears and the ears are small. These ears are of a mouse. The next is a rabbit. Here the rabbit have leaf-like shape of ears. These ears are of giraffe. Next is a mouse. Here you can see the mouse has ears of a dog. The giraffe ear has big fan-like leaves. These leaves are of elephant. Next, dog. The dog here has big leaf-like shape and are on top of its head. That is of a rabbit. Here you can see the dog has the ears of a rabbit. Next is a buffalo. Where is the buffalo? Here. The buffalo has ear of a deer. And last, the deer. Here you can see the deer. Deer has the ear of a buffalo. So students, now that we have found the right ears of animals, let us go ahead with the chapter. Here on the second page, one more activity is given. Different animals have different kinds of ears. Among the animals given below, which one have ears that you can see? In which animal can you not see the ears? Write in the table below. So students, in this activity, here names of some animals are given. And we have to differentiate between the animals whose ears we can see and the animals whose ear we cannot see. But before we solve this activity, let us go to the third page. You know very well that ears help us to hear. In some animals, you can see the ears, in some, you cannot. We cannot see a bird's ears. A bird has tiny holes on both the side of its head. Generally, the holes are covered with feathers. They help the bird to hear. If you look carefully, you will see tiny holes on a lizard's head. These are its ears. A crocodile also has ears like this, but we cannot see them easily. Here, in the information given, we can learn that all animals and birds have ears. But some animals have ears that are clearly visible, like dog, elephant, as we saw in the picture earlier. But in birds, students, birds have feathers on their body and their ears are sometimes covered with those feathers. Even the ears of birds are very tiny. You can see that we cannot see the ears of birds easily. The reason of that is birds have tiny holes and these holes are their ears. And often these holes are covered with feathers on their body. So we cannot spot the ears of birds easily. So student, what did we learn? That some animals have ears that can be easily seen and birds have ears which are tiny little holes which cannot be seen easily. So with this information that we learned, we will solve the above activity. The names of different animals given here are deer, frog, fish, ant, crow, tiger, sparrow, buffalo, snake, lizard, pig, duck, giraffe, elephant and cat. Now let us differentiate between the animals whose ear we can see and the animals whose ear we cannot see. So I have solved the image for you. The animals whose ear we can see are deer, tiger, buffalo, pig, giraffe, elephant and cat. All these animals have big ears, clearly visible, and we can spot their ears easily. And the animals whose ear we cannot see are frog, fish, ant, crow, sparrow, snake, lizard and duck. Here you can see mostly all the birds like crow, sparrow, duck. All these have ears, but that their ears are covered with feathers, so we cannot see them. And animals like snake and lizards have tiny little dots, tiny little holes on their heads. Those tiny little holes can also not be seen easily. Now, another activity here is given. Let us observe this picture. So, student, here you can see a picture. I think there are mostly birds in a picture and one animal I can see in the corner. Name the animals in the picture. Now, this question is very easy. All of you can easily name the animals in this picture. The first one is a hen. The second is a sparrow. We can also see a parrot. The white bird is a duck. Then there is a crow, and at the corner we can see a frog. Can you see their ears? No, we cannot see the ears of any of this animal. They all have ears even though we cannot see them. As I explained you earlier, mostly all the birds have ears, but the ears are tiny little holes on their head, and the tiny little holes are usually covered with the feathers on their body, so we cannot see their ears. Also, the frog is not a bird, but the ear of frog is also not visible because there are tiny little holes and those are not clearly seen. But that doesn't mean that they don't have ears. Even if we cannot see ears of birds and few animals, they do have ears. Now students, look at this picture. Here I have shown all the animals whose ears you can see, like deer, tiger, cat, elephant, pig, buffalo and giraffe. And here is the picture of animals whose ear you cannot see. Example are frog, duck, peacock, sparrow, ant, crow, fish and lizard. Let us go back to the third page now. Find out some other animals which have ears that we cannot see. So students, here I am asking you to write names of few, two or three animals, whichever you can find, other than we saw in this picture. You have to find it by yourself and write their names. Now let us solve the read and write. An animal with ears like fans. Which animals has ears like fan? Yes, we saw in the starting of this video. Elephant has ears like fans. An animal with ears like leaves. Who has ears like leaf? Deer, giraffe, both of them have ears like leaf. Even rabbit has ears like leaf. An animal with ears on the top of its head. Who has ears on top of its head? Dog, rabbit, both has ears on top of its head. And the last question, an animal with ears on both sides of its head. Like dog and buffalo have ears on both sides of his head. Here is the picture with the answers written in it for your reference. So students, this is all for today's video. In the next video, we will learn more. We will see about the different types of skin that animals have, the feathers, the skin on their body, etc. I will also send a picture of few spellings. I want you all to write the spellings 5 times in your notebooks.